And then I'll show you how to take raw products that you get in the supermarket and make the world's greatest ice cream. So if you're going to make the best ice cream, is that enough? No. What you have to do is you have to charge a fair price. Fair to who? Fair to you. You got to make some money. But just as important, equally as important, has to be fair to the customer. Nobody's going to come in here and spend $10 on an ice cream. That'll never happen. Conversely, if you open your doors and sell $2 ice creams, you're going to hurt yourself. You won't make enough money, and the perception of the people is they're buying a cheap product. When I opened up, aside from the guy that I charged $2 and then $3 for, I opened up and I was charging $2, $3, and $5. That's what I opened up at, $2, $3, and $5. And after about 2 days, I decided no. So it was just $3 and $5. I killed the 2. Then, that was like on a Thursday, I came to 2 per. Monday, I said, nope, that's it, $5. One size, one price, $5, and tax was included in that. So really, it was like $4.78 or something. But $5, one price, one size, any flavor. No, you can't mix flavors. For $5, you're not getting 2 flavors in a cup. You're going to get 1 flavor. Can you sample it? No. Why not? It's all good. It is. It's all good. There's nothing. If you don't like apple pie, don't order the apple pie ice cream because it's going to taste like apple pie. We always have about 40 flavors on hand, and we'll get into the dipping cases soon enough. So you got to charge a fair price. In my mind, $5 for an ice cream was perfect. Now we got a lot of people coming in who didn't buy ice cream because they said, $5? What do I get? And I said, you get ice cream in a cup. No cones? No. No sundaes? No. No hot fudge? No. Whipped cream? No. $5, you get 1 flavor ice cream in a cup. You get enough. Our cups were 12 ounces, and we were giving maybe a pint, maybe 16 ounces, because we made it nice and big. But that's all you get. So yes, there was some education of the public in the beginning, and there was some bounce back. People, they grumbled until they tasted the ice cream. They didn't grumble anymore. If you start with $5, tax included, no change at the register, no coins, $5 bill is easy, everyone's got one. And the perception is that a couple can come in, both enjoy plenty of ice cream, sit down, enjoy the music, chat with their friends, whatever, for a $10 bill. It's almost like a night out. So $5 is what you should charge. You do what you want. I'm just here to throw the stuff out. The other bad quality I'm not saying bad, negative quality of homemade ice cream is the melting point. Homemade ice cream melts sooner than store-bought ice cream. We don't add emulsifiers. We don't add any of that crap. We don't add any chemicals to make it stay harder longer. The reason that we don't sell cones, if you put enough ice cream in a cone to charge $6 or $5, that's not just 1 little scoop in a sugar cone. That's 2 scoops. Now you give a kid 2 scoops, or an adult 2 scoops of homemade ice cream, it's on the floor and the napkins, and it's dribbling down his hand. It melts quicker. It's a quicker melting point than store-bought ice cream or commercially made ice cream. So that's why I don't do it. 10 servings per gallon at $5 is $50. So what are you going to sell a gallon for? 50 and break even? People won't buy it 50 for. They can go to the store and for $3.99 on special get 2 half gallons and take it home. So you're not going to sell it. So maybe the most important thing for this group here, And this is the equation for success in this business. I believe it's in any business, but make it fit to your business. This is so important. And a lot of you don't have this. But think about it tonight when you're going to sleep, and this is it. If this doesn't work out, I'll go back to selling shoes. If this doesn't work out, my husband will just work a few longer hours. If this doesn't work out, I'll go into the insurance business. None of that's going to help you. When you are standing at the deep end of the pool, you got to jump in. You can't dip your foot in. It's not going to work. You can't say, well, I'll try this business. I'll see how it goes the first couple of months. That's not the way to do it. It's not the way to do any business. If you're committed, then go for it. I guarantee you, whoa, stop the presses. I guarantee you, if you do what you're taught in these 2 days, you'll be successful in this business.